a mother of 4. I'm a wife. I have been working in the commercial lending for 6 years. I have been working in residential and I guess commercial lending for about 20 years in total. And I'm also a part-time student. Go Seawolves.
So since you answered what you are, can you answer who you are?
Yes. I am a writer. I'm a home stylist. I'm a event stylist. I'm a planner. I'm an all-around creative. I'm a motivator. I love to encourage. That's who I am. I'm an encourager, motivator.
That's it?
A creative person.
That's it.
For now. We all have that inside of us where we don't feel like motivated. Having an encouraging word is something I always look for. So if I can share that with others, then I kind of like to motivate other people. An encouraging word, when they're not looking for it.
What's the most common reason for people failing and giving up?
I believe that the reason is because you start with a certain level of motivation to do something, and the moment you fail at it, I believe that's when you stop because you're fearful of it happening again. Again, it stems back to fear. It stems back to not wanting to deal with that pain or rejection. Once again, so people tend to quit after the first shot. Not only that, we're living in an age where people think that success or accomplishments come quickly, not realizing that anything that's worthwhile takes time. We see a lot of the finished products and not the actual work process. So I think people tend to believe that because it didn't work the first time, it's not going to work again, and they decide to give up because of their fear of rejection and fear of having that feeling. It hurts. I overcame that fear by finally saying, this fear is not real. This fear came from nowhere. It came from self-doubt. It came from listening to that voice versus listening to my actual true voice, my inner voice, my spirit. And that's how I overcame that hurdle. I'm going to bed. Good night.
Oh, it's so good.